your shades.
Together.
We will find a place where there's so much space.